Welcome to our channel. Permanently deleting your Instagram account removes all photos, followers, and data. Here's the complete process. Step 1. Open a web browser and go to Instagram.com. You cannot delete accounts from the mobile app. Step 2. Log into the account you want to delete using your username and password. Step 3. Navigate to the Delete Your Account page directly at instagram.com/accounts/remove/request/permanent. Step 4. Select a reason for deleting your account from the drop-down menu provided. Step 5. Re-enter your password when prompted to confirm your identity and decision. Step 6. Click Delete followed by your username button. This action is permanent and irreversible. Step 7. Your account becomes immediately inaccessible to others, but takes 30 days for complete deletion. Step 8. Avoid logging in during the 30-day period. Any login cancels the deletion process. Step 9. After 30 days, your account, photos, videos, comments, likes, and followers are permanently gone. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.